At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a curved line. Parallelly, we draw another curved line. And join this two. We make a square shape with some straight line. This is the roof of our tent. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the tent. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw tent door. Here, we draw a rectangle shape. To draw the window, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the tent. Red color. Red color. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the tent. Blue color. Blue color. Green color. Green color. Pink color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.